Imagine this. If you're in your first university lecture and instead of the teacher walking you through every detail, you're handed a reading list and expected to figure things out on your own. It's a bit overwhelming, right? That's because university teaching styles can be a whole new world compared to what you're used to at school. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this transition. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping students, parents, and school counselors navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of university admissions. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the most common teaching methods, their challenges, and how you can adapt to make the most of your university experience. Teaching styles at universities aren't one size fits all. They're shaped by the subject, the institution, and even the lecturer's approach. Understanding these styles isn't just about knowing what to expect, it's about learning how to thrive in each environment. Let's start with lectures. These are often held in large halls with a lot of students, where the lecturer delivers key information. Think of it as laying the foundation, the big ideas, theories, and concepts you'll need to build upon in your own study time. The challenges with lectures is that they move quickly, and it's easy to feel lost if you're not keeping up. But here's the trick. Focus on active listening. Take clear notes, and don't be afraid to follow up on things you didn't quite catch. Many universities record lectures now, so you can revisit them later to fill in any gaps. Next, we have seminars and tutorials. These are smaller and more interactive sessions where you'll discuss topics in detail. Here, the focus shifts to your participation. It's your chance to ask questions, share ideas, and debate concepts with both your peers and the instructor. It might feel intimidating at first, especially if you're not used to speaking up in class. But remember, these sessions are about exploration, not perfection. Prepare beforehand by doing the readings or assignments, and don't shy away from contributing. You'll gain so much more from the experience. Then there are workshops and labs, which are all about applying what you've learned. For science, engineering, and art students, this could mean conducting experiments, solving problems, or working on creative projects. The key here is collaboration. Whether you're working with a team in a lab or presenting ideas in a workshop, these settings teach you real-world skills like teamwork, time management, and problem solving. Don't just focus on the task. Take note of the process, as it's often just as important as the results. Finally, there is independent study. This is where university life really shifts responsibility onto you. Lectures might guide you, but it's up to you to manage your time, dive into readings, and work on assignments. It's a double-edged sword here. You get your freedom, but you also need discipline. Start by setting a study schedule, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, and seeking help when needed. Universities offer plenty of resources, from libraries to study groups, so take advantage of them. University teaching styles are as diverse as the students themselves, and understanding how each one works can make a huge difference in your academic journey. The key here is to embrace each method and adapt your approach to fit. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future tips. And if you have any questions or looking for support in your university admission, you can always book a discovery call with us. The link you can find in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.